Hi everyone, and welcome to the Reading Comprehension Project. The idea of this project is that so you can answer this main question: how can reading comprehension strategies help you better understand what you are reading? You're going to create an ebook for other students and parents at our school by using iBooks Author, and this ebook will include examples of how to use each of the reading comprehension strategies that we're going to study, and you're going to use videos and images that will help other people learn about them as well. Here's some information for your parents to pause this video and read through. The define stage, we have different stages of this project, and the first stage is the define stage, and this is where you'll have to understand what the main question is, which is how can reading comprehension strategies help students to better understand what they are reading. You're going to talk about this in some groups, and you're going to look through the rubrics as well to see how you're going to be assessed through this project, and you're going to have to be really clear on the expectations for showing the learning for each of the strategies, and how to attain a 4 grade for each of the requirements in the rubric. You're also going to have to clearly understand what an ebook is and be made aware of how iBooks Author works on your MacBooks. You're going to have to do all this before you move any further, so you have to be really clear on this whole project and what we're going to do and how we're going to do it before you move any further. The next stage is the discovery stage. So you're going to learn about 3 reading comprehension strategies: questioning, inferring, and summarizing. You're going to learn and discover about iBooks Author as well, and using the widgets to create the ebook. And you're going to discover those reading comprehension strategies of questioning, inferring, and summarizing by doing different activities, which I'm calling learning opportunities. The first one, for summarizing, you're going to make an ebook. You're going to do 3 things: make an ebook, make an iMovie trailer. You're going to do an activity called an explanation wheel, and then you're going to create a little video on your MacBooks demonstrating how you find and how you highlight key information when you're summarizing from a text. And you're going to explain, as you're videoing yourself finding key information, of what you're doing and why each bit of information is important in that text. There's going to be 3 questioning activities. One's called questioning the text, the next one's called thick and thin, and the next one's called BDA, before, during, after questions. And if you click on these links here, they'll take you to the activities, but I'll explain them to you as well. In the inferring, in the discovery stage, also still in the discovery stage, for the inferring reading comprehension activities, there's going to be 5 activities that we do. And the first one is got to do with a letter. It's a circus letter and has some questions related to it. The next activity is called an inferring card, and again you can click on the activity here. The next one is called movement cards, and there's the activity. And the next one is called scenario T-charts, inference and evidence, and there's the activity there as well. So there'll be 5 activities that we do when we do inferring. You also discover some widgets in iBooks Author and what they are. These are the widgets that you have to use for each of the strategies, and I'll explain to you how you're going to have to use them. It's the gallery widget, the media widget, sound and media widget, video, and also the review widget. You're going to use these explanations tell you how you're going to use them for each of the 3 sections of your iBooks Author book or your ebook. One section is going to be summarizing, and you'll have these 4 widgets showing different things. The next section is going to be inferring, the next section is going to be questioning, and these 4 widgets will be used in each one of those. That moves us on to the next stage, which is the dream stage, and this is when you're going to plan the ebook design and ideas for your widget, for how you're going to use your widgets in your ebook. You're going to follow my planning guide to help you design your ebook. They'll include some teaching points to help you in planning, and they'll also assist you and help you in your explanation writing of what each of the reading strategies are and how they helpful in understanding a text. The next stage is the design stage, and this is where you actually start working on your ebook. I'll have an example template to demonstrate to you to guide you to the structure of your format for your reading comprehension ebook. You can also use other widgets as well, and as you'll see in the rubric, if you use other widgets besides the 4 that were mentioned, the expected ones, you actually get extra marks. Delivery stage, this is when you work, and when you've completed your work and your learning, you're going to get some feedback from 3 other students and the teacher, probably me, and you can decide whether you want to take on that feedback or whether you think you are okay and you can keep moving forward to the publish stage. So you're going to get some feedback from people about your ebook so far before you publish it. And then when the ebook is published in the iBooks, the ebooks will be ready to be used as teaching tools for other students. But finally, the next stage, there's no more stages, but this is the last point, and this is how you're going to be marked. So you'll see here there's different sections: questioning, summarising, inferring, and the final bit. So that's what you need to do to get 4 marks in each of those sections: questioning, summarising, inferring, and the 4th section is you have created a well-designed ebook that includes all the information in a creative way that will help other students learn about these reading comprehension strategies. You have correctly used all the widgets as well as 1 or 2 more that you were asked to use. Okay, so that's how you would get a 4, and you can look through these, how you might get other marks. Okay, I think this is going to be a fantastic project, and hopefully this video has helped you understand a little bit more about it.